Alright, so for my birthday, I got this exciting cup right here. I'm gonna stir it with a chopstick. Don't worry about it. It's okay, I promise. And I also got a chicken. Why? I don't know. But anyway, I figured me and the chicken are going to experiment and see what it is that my new mug can really do right now. Are you ready? Good. So anyway, first we got some water here. Daha. And we're going to pour some water into here. Alright, beautiful. Now we're gonna stir. Now, I don't know about you, but it looks like something's changing. Yes, by God, I do believe so. Let's see. Oh my God. My beautiful cup went from a night scene to the day. What do you think, chicken? I think he's surprised. Yes. Yes, he's surprised. So anyway, long story short, it looks like with the heat it actually turns to day or night. Anyway, just thought I'd show that off because it's awesome. Yeah. Bye. See you later.